Hey, this is Lucas. So today we're going to take a look at, we've got this really cool old cast iron skillet, and it's really giant. You can see it's a little bit rusty. It's not too bad. It's probably been well seasoned before, so really all we want to do is just kind of knock the rust off of this thing. So we're going to do a little demo and show you how you can turn it into this. So let's get started. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is a little bit of water and some baking soda. We just want to make a little paste. And we'll put a little bit of this solution on the back. The back's not too bad, so we're not going to put too much. The front's the main part. And then we'll just rub it with some steel wool. And you can already see that rust is just rubbing right off. That's good. And just anywhere there's like a rusty spot. Thanks to Boot and Sheila, by the way. They gave us a couple of these cast iron skillets, big ones. And we're going to use them for making pizza and that kind of stuff. Yeah, they said they were about 30 years old, so very cool. That's probably good for the back. Flip it over here. See the front there. There's the back. Now, the inside of this is a little dirty. I'm gonna go ahead and just pour this on there. Don't wear your Sunday best when you're doing this because it's messy. Alright, we'll just let that sit for a few minutes and we'll come back for the next step. We're going to add a little bit of just white vinegar here. See that bubble up? And this acid's going to eat through the rest of that rust that's in there. That's looking real good. Okay, now I'm going to rinse this out and see what we got. Okay, now it's looking a whole lot better. I'm just going to give it one more little treatment here with the vinegar. There's a few little spots here, there. That's better. And then once we get done with this, we will rinse it with water. And we'll put some oil. We'll stick it in the oven and season it. And you basically want to put your oven on 450, 475, however hot your oven will go. You want to put it on the hottest setting. this off with water. Alright, now we want to start the seasoning process. So I'm gonna go grab some oil and be right back. Got some oil, so a clean paper towel. Really, you can use vegetable oil, you can use canola oil, sesame seed oil, grapeseed oil. Doesn't really matter. You just want to put a light coat of oil on here. Alright, that's a good coat of oil. Now what we want to do is get another clean paper towel and just go around, make sure we wipe off any excess. We don't want any drips. And you really just want a very, very thin coat of oil on here when you stick it in the oven. Alright, now we're going to put it in the oven, 500 degrees for about an hour. Alright, and here is the pan ready to go in the oven. It's got a light coating of oil on it, and we've got our oven set to 500 degrees. We'll go ahead and put that in there, close the door, and let it go for about an hour, and we'll actually season it a couple of times just like that. And here's the finished product with 2 coats of seasoning on it. Hope that helps.